How to delete all pins on Pinterest. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can delete all pins on Pinterest. For this, you want to open the Pinterest app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Now, if you tap on any picture over here and tap on the save option, you can simply pin this by selecting a board in this way. So once that is done, if you tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, it will bring you to the profile in this way. Now, as you can see, you have the option of all pins over here. So you have your separate boards and you have the option of all pins. If you tap on this, all of your pins will be shown. So what you want to do is head back, tap on edit profile option, scroll down and find the option of show all pins. Now people visiting your profile will be able to see a collection of all of your pins you have saved. So if you do not want this to be shown, then you can simply toggle this option off. Once it has been toggled off, tap on the done option at the top right corner of your screen. Now give this a refresh and as you can see, there is no option of all pins and it has been successfully deleted. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.